In this video, I'm going to show you how to play races in GTA 5 online. First, you want to open GTA 5 and go inside GTA 5 online. Then click on escape, click online, and here click jobs. Let's go back, online, jobs, play job. Over here you have three options. You either can choose the Rockstar created or the community jobs or Rockstar verified. So if you want to create your own and host your own, you can just choose this option. If you want to just play from other people's hosts, you can go with the community job. So I'm just gonna go from the one that I can create. Here you can just choose after you click on, hold on, let me just go back here, play job and created. Here once you're in this place, you want to choose which map you want. So let's go for races or stunt races, and then let's choose this one and then click OK. It's gonna take a few moments here. So here, as you can see, it's saying no active race found, so I'll just host my own. I'll click host, and here you can just choose your options here. As you can see, there's plenty of options and settings, so I'll just run through this very quickly and confirm everything just to show you what it looks like. So just gonna confirm everything, continue, and ready to play. So it's pretty simple here. So as you can see, once it loads, so basically this is the one that I hosted. I don't think there might be any player here. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.